The book I will be reading from is called More Jewish Bedtime Stories, Tales of Rabbis and Leaders by Shmuel Blitz, illustrated by Liat Binyamini Ariel. I will be reading Soiled Laundry, a Rabbi Yosef Shalom Eliashiv story. It was laundry day for Shana. She and her husband lived alone in a small apartment in Jerusalem. They had no children. While Shana was hanging her crisp white sheets on the line, Bela, her neighbor, looked out the window. Of course Shana's sheets are so white and clean, Bela thought. With no children at home, what did she do all day? Shana finished hanging her sheets and walked back into the house. All sure what it means to have work to do, muttered Bela. She took scissors from her drawer and cut Shana's clothesline. Shana's clean, white laundry dropped into the mud. Shana sadly watched this from her doorway. After Bela returned home, Shana picked up her soiled laundry without uttering a single word. While Bela was giving her children lunch, she noticed that Shlomi, her 3-year-old son, had no appetite. Slowly, he dragged himself into bed. A few minutes later, she checked on him and saw that he had a high fever. "Help! Call a doctor!" she screamed. "My Shlomi is very sick." The doctor came and examined him. "This child is ill, but I don't know what is wrong with him." As the doctor was leaving the house, he said, "There is nothing I can do for you. Go talk to your rabbi. He is a wise man. Maybe he can help." Bela rushed off to the rabbi and told him about her son's mysterious illness. "Tell me everything you did today," demanded the rabbi. Everything. She related the events of the day, including the story of the clothesline. "That is the cause of your problem," the rabbi stated. "You must go and apologize to Shana at once." Bela ran to Shana's house. "Please forgive me," she begged. "It was a terrible thing that I did to you. I don't know what came over me today." "You don't have to apologize," replied Shana. "You were obviously feeling a lot of stress and pressure. Of course I forgive you." "Bless you," said Bela, "and may you be blessed soon with a child." When Bela returned home, her Shlomi was sitting up in bed, smiling. And that same year, Shana gave birth to a little boy. This little boy grew up to become Rabbi Yosef Shalom Eliashiv, a great leader of the Jewish people. By Bracha from Los Angeles, California.